Mobilize Charge Pass is a service available on the My Renault app that allows you to charge your Renault electric or plug-in hybrid vehicle easily and quickly on all your journeys. Access one of the largest recharging networks in Europe, as well as the Ionity network's very high-power recharging stations. You can also take advantage of preferential charging rates. Discover our Mobilize Charge Pass subscription offers, how to order and activate your Mobilize Charge Pass card. First of all, download the application. It is available on Google Play and App Store by typing My Renault in the search bar. Once in the application, log in or create an account by pressing Register. Enter the requested information and accept the terms and conditions. You must then activate your account by clicking on the link received by email. Once you have logged in to the My Renault application, add your vehicle to your virtual garage by pressing here. Enter your vehicle identification number or VIN, which can be found in box C of your registration certificate, and then press Submit. You can now subscribe to Mobilize Charge Pass offers. Go to Account and click on Discover Charging on the Move. Then click on View Charge Pass Offers. Click here to change the selected offer. You can see the details of the offer here. The Mobilize Basic offer is free and without commitment. The Mobilize Intense offer is without commitment and gives access to preferential rates. Once you have chosen your offer, click here. The application will ask you to add a credit card to continue the purchase. Add a credit card by clicking here. For security purposes, the application will verify your payment card by performing a €1 direct debit authorization. Note that this money will not be debited from your account. Add your credit card number and bank details and press here. The WorldPay form will verify. Once the credit card has been validated, the application will ask you to give a name to your payment method. Then click on Submit. Select the credit card you wish to use. Accept the terms and conditions and confirm your order. Add your delivery information, address and phone number. If your country of residence is different from your country of delivery, you can specify it here. Then confirm. Finally, confirm your order. If your order is confirmed, a pop-up window will appear indicating that you will receive your Mobilize Charge Pass in a few days. You will receive your Mobilize Charge Pass at home within 10 working days. You will also receive a confirmation of your Mobilize Charge Pass order and subscription by email. Once you have received your order, to activate your Mobilize Charge Pass, go to Account in your My Renault application. Click on Discover Charging on the Move and then on Activate a Charge Pass. Enter the Mobilize Charge Pass number on the back of your card or scan your number by clicking here and then click on Activate. Choose the credit card to be associated with your Mobilize Charge Pass. Accept the terms of use and continue. Finally, validate your billing address. Note that activation can take up to 24 hours. You can now use your Mobilize Charge Pass.